Hey everyone, it's Blaine. Today I'm gonna tell you some of my troubles. See, I went to the carnival not too long ago, won a game, the football and the tire game, if you've ever heard of it. Yeah, threw the ball into the tire. 2 out of 5 times, but that's when I sucked that football. I would have done a lot better now, because I'm good at throwing footballs now. But I did that, so I won a stuffed animal. I had many choices. I chose the banana. The banana is like this big. Yeah, about this big. Well, I've been having troubles with my dog. She stole it out of my room. Took it in here, the living room. Ripped the nose off of it. Then, few weeks later, she started doing something to it. I'll write it out for you. Eh. I'm not doing cursive this time. It takes too long and so many people can't read it. Man. This is what she does to that banana now. She does all night long. See that word? It says hump. It does all night long. It's annoying. I don't want to touch my stuffed banana anymore. Had a face on it. Now it has just eyes and a mouth. She ripped the nose off of it and it makes me want to scream. As I'm already doing. Okay, I'll get that off the screen. Then I'll show you what my dog does to my stuffed banana. I made a song to it too. It goes like hyperspeed hump, hyperspeed hump, hyperspeed hump, hyperspeed hump. Okay, here it goes. My dog has mental issues. Humps his stuffed banana a lot. Annoying. Okay, see my dog right there. In a minute, she'll go to work. Watch it. See that? That's my dog. She's going to the banana. This is a close-up. If you want to see a close-up. Sure. She likes her big banana. Come on, Isabel, go back to work. Nobody's looking at you but the people on YouTube. Oh yes, get out of the way, fool. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed. Hyperspeed. Come on, she's resting. She's resting. Here she goes. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Come on, go back to work, you dog. Don't get any closer, because I don't want to breathe the nasty air of the humped banana. Come on! Do it! Get back to work. I'm not touching that banana. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. She likes her banana. Well, actually, that's my banana. That's my banana, and I want it back, but now I don't want it back because she ripped the nose off. And I'm gonna. Oh, hyperspeed hump. Hyperspeed hump. Okay, that's enough. Well, this is my banana, and I don't want it back anymore. But I used to want it back. before she started humping it and making me so mad like I am right now. I'm gonna get something so I can pick it up without getting my hands all nasty from the hump banana. That's why I don't want to grab it. And show you how she ripped the nose off of it. Yeah, it's a she. My dog is a she. That's messed up. Okay, well, I'll go get it. Get the something. Mama, can I use a piece of this? I can. Okay. It's got dog suffocating with this red tissue paper. Examine the noseless banana face. See, she ripped the doggone nose off of it. Oh, Otis, you do not want to lick that. Now I must go burn this paper. Thank you for watching. My dog has issues.